Y'all remember a couple days ago when I was trying to get this cake topper cut? Yeah, that this is her. Yeah. But now that we've overcome those obstacles, I've had a couple days to sleep on it and to work on my child's birthday stuff and revisit this. But now that we've got that under control and all together, this is me assembling it. I had a general idea of how I wanted to assemble it. However, while putting it together, you will see me change a couple pieces around to see what fits or what will look good. Now, that's generally what I would do when I'm assembling my cake toppers. But for the most part, I almost always start out with a general idea, and then once assembling it, I just build from there. Here's a couple little tips, or I don't know, a few suggestions or whatever, whatnot that I've learned along the way. If you're the kind of person that like puzzles or any type of like critical thinking, I would say similar to putting puzzles together, pieces together, cake toppers will be a breeze to you in a way, because once you have that idea of, oh, okay, this is what I'm going to do, babe, it will come so easy to you once you get everything like cut and printed out. Now, as far as designing go, if you have just a little touch of designing skills, it will not be that difficult. I understand that there's a lot of creators on this app that do make cake toppers, and it can look intimidating when they do it. However, everyone is different, and if you're not the type of person that's really good with puzzles or really good with figuring out things on your own or critical thinking, yes, it's going to come difficult to you. It's going to be a little bit intimidating, but it's not to say that you won't be able to do it. It just might take you a little longer to figure it out, and that's okay, because we're not rushing this, okay? Now, for me, I say that I have very basic and very simple cake toppers, because I find that I don't like to use a whole lot of paper. So yeah, my designs may look a lot easy. How I assemble may look a little bit more, simple and a lot less complex than others. And that is okay as well. We all start somewhere. Not to say that I can't do the extravagant big cake toppers. It's just that's just not my ministry at this point in time. Eventually I will get there. Right now I like where I'm at. I'm enjoying where I'm at. These simple little 2-layer, maybe 3-layer designs and cake toppers, these are my ministry. This is my forte for right now, and this is where I'm comfortable. And my customers love them and they like them, because not everyone wants the big ones, and that's okay too, because I'm definitely gonna charge. Okay, I don't charge that much for my cake toppers now, but if I do more, then I will increase. But right now I just like to keep it just a little bit more affordable for the girlies that like to do extra stuff for their babies. And yeah, because I'm that mom that balls on a budget, but I love to like splurge on my baby when it's her birthday, like now. So I understand, I get it, I totally get it. So yeah, a cake topper is not a necessity, it's a luxury. And you got to have the extra funds to get, to purchase it. So I understand. So I keep them simple for that purpose, but I also, want people to keep it, just for like a keepsake or, some memorandums. Girl, I don't even know. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so if you're starting out, just start somewhere. Just start. That's it. Just start. See, look.